Thousands of properties to be without water until Friday, as ministers hold emergency meetings. Over 6,500 homes in Tunbridge Wells, Kent and Sussex face water outages until Friday due to burst water mains caused by severe weather. Emergency meetings are underway. The Agentic AI Lead, Unifying Data and AI Autonomy for 2026 Customer Engagement. In 2026, brands will shift towards Agentic AI for customer engagement, aiming to predict and act on customer needs in real time. This approach, combining predictive capability, unified data architecture, and seamless orchestration, is expected to revolutionize marketing strategies. Lion conservation in Kenya. Why one approach does not fit all. Kenya's lions exhibit unique responses to human land use, climate, and conservation, suggesting a one-size-fits-all approach is ineffective. Tailored management strategies, involving local communities, are key for successful conservation. Displaced Palestinians weather deadly winds. Extreme cold intense. 6 fatalities reported as heavy rain and winds flood tents of displaced Gazan families, exposing them to extreme cold weather. Superorganism raises $25 million to back biodiversity startups. Investment firm Superorganism commits $25 million to support startups addressing biodiversity loss, focusing on tech for extinction prevention, climate biodiversity intersections, and conservation tool development. US plan to exploit Venezuela's oil could eat up 13% of carbon budget to keep 1.5C limit. US plans to exploit Venezuela's oil could consume over 10% of the world's carbon budget to limit global heating to 1.5C. According to an exclusive analysis, this could exacerbate climate change and push Earth closer to catastrophe. Clues from the past reveal the West Antarctic ice sheet's vulnerability to warming. Fastest melting West Antarctic glaciers, Thwaites and Pine Island, raise concerns about ice sheet stability and future sea level rise. Man dies after tree falls onto caravan during Storm Goreti. During Storm Goreti, a man lost his life as a tree fell on his caravan in Falmouth, Cornwall. More warnings for snow and ice, as tens of thousands without power. Storm Goreti brings snow and ice, leaving tens of thousands without power in Derbyshire. Photographing climate change. Ice spotters on the frozen Chadar River. Centuries-old ice route on the frozen Chadar River in Ladakh, India, provides lifeline for locals during winter as roads close due to snow. Trump pulls US out of India-led solar alliance. Key climate pact. Under Trump, US withdraws from India-led solar alliance in a significant climate change agreement. Clifftop residents told to leave because Storm Goreti could destroy their homes. Storm Goreti threatens to destroy homes of Hemsby Clifftop residents in Norfolk, prompting evacuations due to significant erosion. A weather bomb is here. What is it and are lives at risk? A weather bomb has been detected, bringing increased risk of snow and high waves in certain areas. Prepare for potential disruptions and stay informed. Dogs' dinners can have greater climate impact than those of their owners. New study reveals that dogs' diets, particularly premium, meat-rich pet foods, may have a larger carbon footprint than their owners' diets, impacting climate significantly. Warming winters and storm-driven dispersal facilitate northward mangrove expansion along the U.S. Atlantic coast. Mangrove expansion along the U.S. Atlantic coast is a result of warming winters and storm-driven dispersal, signifying the impact of climate change on coastal ecosystems, with potential effects on biodiversity, carbon storage, and shoreline protection. New state of matter discovered in a quantum material, phys.org. Quantum material breakthrough. Researchers at Turin discover a hitherto unimaginable state in a quantum material, challenging our understanding of topological states. New image of the Milky Way reveals massive hidden structures. What's out there? The Daily Galaxy. Detailed new map of the Milky Way unveils hidden structures, offering a glimpse into the galaxy's mysteries. How Mars' ancient lakes grew shields of ice to stay warm as the red planet froze. Space. Mars' ancient lakes may have been protected by ice shields, allowing liquid water to persist despite the planet's icy climate. This could solve the long-standing paradox of Mars water persistence. Little red dots as young supermassive black holes in dense ionized cocoons. Nature. Young supermassive black holes discovered shrouded in ionized gas cocoons, as revealed by the highest quality JWST spectra. Dominant contribution of Asgard archaea to eukaryogenesis. Nature. New study reveals Asgard archaea's significant role in the origin of eukaryotic genes, reshaping our understanding of eukaryogenesis.